Oh, look, do you know what? Yesterday I went to a project in Melbourne. It's the Nightingale project, which is, a large housing scheme, about 200 homes, 200 households. And it's a wonderful example of how you build sustainably and create place and community and do it in a way which is relatively affordable as well. Really high-quality buildings. And I met some people from that scheme. And it's just, that's the kind of stuff we should be doing. It's building with heart, as opposed to it all about profit.
Yeah, and that's been a big issue.